I created a Shopify theme in which you can run a Shopify wholesale store without a Shopify plan. Like you can run on basic plan. You don't need to purchase the Shopify Plus plan. And this is the working. You can see that visitor can't see the pricing, and if I click on it, you can see inquiry about product. If someone fill this form and click on send, you will receive all the details on your email address. There is a quick order form. You can add these product on quick order form so that they can check out faster. There is two options for creating a account. The one is the basic one in which you will receive all the details and you need to create the account manually. The second one is automatic, in which a customer sign up, the account will be created as a wholesale. So I created the test user for testing purpose. After signing, sorry, after signing, I can add the products and view the product as well. So if I add the product into the cart, you can see a minimum threshold, and if I add the product more than that threshold, I can do the checkout. So this is the working, and you can set the minimum order cart, pricing and everything. To run this wholesale, you need to purchase the theme. You need to click on the buy theme now. You can directly add to the cart or pay by PayPal. Then you will receive the theme and you can upload on Shopify basic plan and run the wholesale. I added the link within the description, so you can just look at that and purchase the theme as soon as possible, because the pricing will increase. So this is the wholesale without Shopify Plus plan. Thank you.